These are beauty products that I actually recommend. I have been using them, testing them, recommending them to my best of friends for the past year or two. So if it's something that I've been using consistently, it's because it works and the results are there. And today I'm going to share a little bit of everything so you can be high maintenance to stay low maintenance. So if you're interested in that, grab your cafecito and let's get right into it. Category number one is going to be low maintenance beauty essentials. If you're like me and you want less maintenance, but you still want the results, then this is for you. This category is for you. The number one product that I have recommended and given out to some of my closest friends is the You Like IPL hair removal device. Now, you guys know that I've been using it for over a year and I am so happy to be working with them again in today's video. I have two other videos that I can link here. If you hate shaving, if you get razor burns, I was tired of my mustache always growing back like the second day, having that 5 o'clock shadow, having to shave and then running out of razors, and girl, it's a whole thing. Okay, so ever since I discovered You Like, this has been my baby. If you have sensitive skin, this is for you. This is the brand new full deluxe ecosystem packaging. Like, look at how beautiful this is. This is ready to be gifted. Hello, Valentine's Day is right around the corner. This is the perfect gift for yourself, for your girlfriend, for your mom, for your sister, for your mother-in-law, for your sister-in-law, for your besties. Like, every girl needs this in their lives, and it matches my nails. I did not plan that. This is the A10 Deluxe. Now, this one is going to offer a complete at-home kits. Like, you don't need to go to the store and buy anything else. You don't have to go out and buy a gift bag. Literally, this is all you need, and I'm going to show you exactly what comes in here. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with the color. I love that they made it like girly, but not overly girly. It's like the perfect blush nude. This is just giving spa experience. Okay, we love the original one, but there was nothing to make it feel like a spa experience. This is going to give you that. Okay, so when you open it, obviously you get your device. It also comes with a razor, which is really sharp. I low-key love this. It comes with your AC adapter, obviously, to connect it, and then of course you get your glasses to keep your eyes safe. So again, if you are sensitive, you're gonna want to buy this because now you can add aloe vera gel to your spa experience, which just elevates it that much more. Just take a little bit on whatever area you want. This is going to just add that protection of layer between your skin and the IPL and say goodbye to any pain. I am going to use this in my bikini area because I have a Cancun trip coming up literally next month, and I have not been able to use the IPL down there because it does hurt just a tiny bit. So I am very excited to use my aloe vera gel to give me just that extra protection so I can be brave enough to just have nothing down there, if you know what I mean. Trust me, once you start laser hair removal at home, you will not go back to razors. I guarantee you, if there is anything that you take from today's video, invest into one of these. I promise you, you will absolutely love it. It is worth every single cent. Now with aloe vera, it's going to use that wet technology to give you even more comfort at home. This doesn't get any better, you guys, okay? This is the first thing I wanted to mention because I think this is in the highest priority of maintenance, okay? So I will have links, discounts, and everything in the description box. This is another low maintenance beauty essential that I have been using for over a year. This is a shampoo color depositing shampoo. This is in the color black. Obviously I have black hair, but if you have brown, light brown, I think in even dark brown, they have different colors. I actually just found out that my local La Michoacana, which is a Mexican store, carries it, and I bought me one because I am completely out of this. This is my third bottle at this point, but I stopped dyeing fully my hair maybe about a year ago because I was just putting too many chemicals in my hair. I was on a hair growth journey and I am very happy with the length of my hair at the moment. but I decided to switch to something a little bit more natural. So I put this in ChatGPT so I can give you a little more information about this. So this is, like I said, a color depositing shampoo that is designed to darken your hair to black while you wash it. I personally like to apply it before I get in the shower. I just take maybe a pump or two and I will apply it in the areas where I want the gray to be covered. And mainly it's where I part my hair, and then here, and then maybe in here. I don't ever like put it all over my hair because I don't feel the need to. I just like to refresh my roots. It's just very, very low maintenance. I use this maybe every 3 weeks, so it lasts a good while and you're not putting any chemicals in your hair. And if you suffer from like really bad grays, this will cover them, I promise you. Category number 2 is products that actually make me feel put together. The first one I cannot find. Let me look in here really quick. One sec. Okay, yeah, no idea where I left it. I will definitely have to find it. But the first product I want to mention is the brow, or the Ardell brow lamination kit. I will insert a picture right here. I got that one forever ago in PR, and oh my gosh, that is the most low maintenance product ever. If you're like me and you like that like feathery brow, not a bushy brow, but just a feathery brow, it is so easy to laminate your brows at home. You do it in under 10 minutes and they last maybe 3 weeks. I love that product so much. It's in a kit, so you just follow the steps. You do your brows are laminated and they look so nice. If your brows are nice and full, then you're blessed and you just go on about your day. But if you have more sparse brows like me, like they're already nice and like laid, all you have to do is fill them in. So love that. This product makes me feel so put together. I could absolutely have zero makeup on, but the moment my brows are on, girl, I am taking over the world, okay? And this one has become my top favorite, the L'Oreal Faux Brow. Now that I have my brows laminated at home, this is so easy to use. In under maybe like 5 minutes, I do my brows. And if I don't have any makeup on, girl, I go on about my day. And it just makes me feel elevated. Brows do make a difference. So I just wanted to mention that. And then for a lightweight foundation that is super, super easy to use. Literally, you can use your fingers. I don't like to use my fingers. I'm just weird about like putting stuff on my face like that when it comes to foundations. Like, I guess it's more of a sensation. I don't know. But the Naked Sundays Beauty Screen Peptide Foundation Tint SPF 50. I am in the shade 5. Oh my gosh, this is the easiest product to use. And again, it just makes me feel so put together because it's not going to give you crazy full coverage, but it's just going to make your skin feel so nice and it's going to look so good. It has SPF 50, so it has everything you need. It has peptides, so it's going to help make your skin look amazing, and it's going to add a little bit of tint, so you're just gonna look that put together, girl. And then the one mascara that I will always repurchase is this one from SheGlam. I'm sure you guys have heard me speak on this multiple times. It is the only mascara that will hold my lashes a curl. Okay, I have pretty short lashes. They're pretty small, and when I curl them and they stay looking perky, I love that, but they don't stay long with mascara. So if I ever just want to elevate my look just a tiny bit, adding mascara makes such a difference. And again, this is the only mascara that I have ever tried, and I have tried a lot. This one will keep my lashes looking curled. Oh my goodness, like I cannot get enough of this. I have gone through maybe 4 tubes of this at this point. I need to keep them all so you guys can believe me when I say this is the best mascara to hold a curl to your lashes. Trust me. Category numero 3 is skin and self-care that I stay consistent with. When I talk about self-care, these are products that I actually stay consistent with. I don't do anything complicated, nothing that is over the top, no complicated routines here, okay? For skincare, I firmly believe that everyone should incorporate vitamin C into their morning skincare routine because I have seen such a difference. Right now I'm using this one by the brand Equal Berry. It is the Glow Filter Vitamin Illuminating Serum. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. As you can see, I literally got this for Christmas and I am almost out. I use this in my underarms or on my underarms. I obviously use it on my face. This is going to give you that really beautiful glow, and it's going to get rid of dark spots while you're at it. So it's a 2-in-1. If your skin is extremely sensitive, if you are acne prone, if your skin barrier is compromised, then try Purito. This is like my favorite holy grail routine right now. I have purchased this product multiple times. It has centella, so it is super gentle on the skin. It is unscented. I have the face wash, this is the serum, and then the moisturizer. Oh my gosh, this is perfect for us oily skin girlies, because sometimes, because we produce so much oil, like that can definitely give us a little bit of blackheads, and this has just kept my skin super clean. And for SPF, you guys know that I love to switch it up. I have different ones. The Mixsoon bean cream, or I think it's their bean SPF, is my absolute favorite. Ran out of that one, but a great one is the Paula's Choice SPF 55% vitamin C. Literally almost out of this stuff. It is super liquidy, so it's perfect for us girls that are oily, but it's also hydrating enough but not greasy. So you need vitamin C and you need SPF in your skincare routine. That's why tools like ULive work for me, because they just fit into your everyday life and it's easy. There's no science to it. Like you do it and you see results. And the last thing that I wanted to mention is probably my favorite thing. Oh my gosh, don't judge me, but press-ons. I mean, hello. Mother load of press-ons. I swear by press-ons. I have press-ons right now, and I think they look like I went to get my nails done, but I do them at home. I glue them on. I apply a top coat, and bam, like, hello. I love being a girl. It is so fun. If you're trying to simplify your beauty routine this year and invest in products that actually matter, these are my top recommendations, okay? These are products that will actually give you results. So those are products I recommend. I will have everything linked down below. ULive will be at the very top, because this should be your top priority for 2026, okay? Do not miss out on this ULive. The new one is going to be amazing for my sensitive skin girlies. If you stay till the end, leave me a white heart so I know that you watched till the end. With that said, thank you so much for being here. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys pick up some new recommendations. Let me know what your favorites are. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.